Kode yang terdapat di start button adalah when start click, head variable, score, show, go to x 180, y minus 137, if k space press, then change score by 1. If score sama dengan 10, then broadcast end game. Wait 1 second. Set X to 240. Show. When this sprite click, play sound pop until done. When this sprite click, broadcast start game and hide. Kode yang ada di strawberry. When I receive victory, delete this done. When I receive start chapter 2, hide forever. Wait 1 second. If score 10, then create done of myself. When I receive start chapter 3, stop other script in sprite hide. When I receive start game, set score to 0. Show variable score forever if score lebih besar 10, then create done of myself. Wait 1 second. When I receive end game, stop this script. When backdrop switch to 1, hide. When I receive start chapter 4, set score to 0. Show variable score hide. Set X to 240, set Y to 80. Wait 3 second. Forever, set X to 240, show, repeat until X position minus 240, change X by minus 9. If touching Masha bucket, play sound pop until done, change score by 1, hide, delete this done, hide. When I start as a clone, show, go to X, pick random minus 200 to 200, Y 180, repeat until Y position minus 150, change Y by minus 5. If touching Masha bucket, then play sound pop until done, change score by 1. If score sama dengan 10, then broadcast victory. Hide, delete this done, hide, delete this clone. Kode yang ada pada Masha bucket adalah when start click, hide forever if k right arrow press, then change X by 15. If k left arrow press, then change X by minus 15. If on edge bounce. When I receive start chapter 3, hide. When I receive start game, show, move 10 step. When I receive start chapter 2, set score to 0, show forever if k right arrow press, then change X by 15. If k left arrow press, then change X by minus 15. If on edge bound, if score sama dengan 10, then broadcast victory. stop this script. If touching busuk, then broadcast game over. Stop this script. Kode yang terdapat pada busuk adalah when start click, hide. When I reserve start chapter 2, hide forever with 1,5 second. If score 10, then create clone of myself. When I reserve victory, hide. When I start as a clone show, go to expect random minus 200 to 200, y 180, repeat until y position minus 50, change y by minus 5, if touching Masha bucket, broadcast game over, stop this script, hide. When I reserve chat 33, stop other script in sprite, hide. Kode yang terdapat dalam game over. When start click, hide. When I reserve game over, go to front layer, show, stop all. When I reserve start chapter 2, hide. When I reserve start chapter 3, hide. When I reserve start chapter 4, hide. Kode yang terdapat pada victory. When start click, hide. When I reserve victory, wait 0,1 second, go to front layer, show. When I reserve hide victory, hide. Kode terdapat pada next button adalah when start click, hide, set chapter to 1. When this right click, hide, broadcast hide victory, yang chapter by 1. If chapter sama dengan 2, then broadcast start chapter 2. If chapter sama dengan 3, broadcast start chapter 3. If chapter sama dengan 4, then broadcast start chapter 4. Kode yang terdapat pada masyarakat adalah when start click, hide. When I reserve start chapter 3 forever, if touching bear, broadcast game over, stop this script. When backdrop switch to 1, hide. When I reserve start chapter 3 forever, next costume, wait 0,5 second. When I reserve game over, set X to minus 150, hide, stop other script in sprite. When I reserve start chapter 3, set lompat to 0, set sedang lompat to 0, show, set X to minus 150, set Y to minus 120. When space keypress, if sedang lompat sama dengan 0, then set sedang lompat to 1, repeat 20, change Y by 12, repeat 20, change Y by minus 12, sedang lompat to 0. When I reserve endgame, stop all. When I reserve endgame, stop other script in sprite. Kode yang terdapat pada bear adalah when backdrop switch to 1 hide, when I receive endgame stop all, when start click hide, when I receive start chapter 3 set score to 0, set x to 240, set y to minus 120, hide, wait 3 second, forever, set x to 240, show, repeat under x position, minus 240, change x by minus 9, hide, change score by 1. If score sama dengan 10, broadcast victory. Stop the script. And I receive start chapter 4, set x to 240, set y to minus 120, hide, wait 3 second, forever. Set x to 240, show, repeat until x position minus 240, change x by minus 9, hide. When I receive a game over, hide, stop the script in sprite. When I receive start chapter 2, hide. When I receive victory, hide. When I receive game win, hide, stop auto script in sprite. Kode yang terdapat pada game over. Kode yang terdapat pada try again adalah when start click hide, when I receive game over go to front layer show, when this sprite click hide, if chapter sama dengan 2 then broadcast start chapter 2, if chapter sama dengan 3 then broadcast start chapter 3, if chapter sama dengan 4 then broadcast chapter 4. Kode terdapat pada victory adalah when start click hide, when I receive endgame go to front layer show, when in this spread click hide, switch backdrop to 1, stop all. Sekian dari saya, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.